Hi all, welcome to LearnIT. In the previous videos we have covered about AWS IAM service, and in this video we will learn about AWS S3 service. So what is S3? S3 stands for Simple Storage Service, and it is secure, durable, highly scalable and highly available object storage service over Internet. AWS S3 has a simple web services interface that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data, at any time, from anywhere on the web. S3 is object-based storage service. It keeps your files as objects and assigns a unique key to every object. S3 supports all types of files. You can keep files like documents, text files, videos, photos, etc. S3 is not built for operating systems or databases. You cannot use it to run operating systems or databases. It is only to store files as objects. If we talk about the limits, there is no limit on number of objects or total data volumes in S3. So you can upload as many files you want to store in S3. If we talk about the object size limit, S3 supports files up to 5 terabytes of size. So, the file size must be in range of 1 kilobyte to 5 terabytes. You cannot upload a file larger than 5 terabytes of size individually. Then we have a bucket. A bucket is like a container or folder where files are stored as objects, and the bucket name must be unique globally. All AWS accounts shares the same namespace for S3 buckets. So, you cannot provide a name which is already taken by any other AWS user in any AWS account in any AWS region across the globe. Let's talk more about S3. S3 uses key and value pair for your files. S3 stores your files as a key and value pair. It considers key as your file name and value as the binary data bytes of your files. Let's check example URL for S3 files. We have example URL as https:// your bucket name, S3, region, amazon.com/key. Key is the name of the file which you want to access from your bucket. Then we have metadata for our files. You can add details of your files as metadata. Example, you can attach file owner name, is paid, is private, etc. Metadata is like extra attributes in your files which has some more detail about the file. And S3 versioning. S3 supports versioning of objects. So, you can have multiple versions of same file in S3. Now, let's talk about availability and durability of S3. So, S3 is highly available service. It claims availability range from 99.95% to 99.99% depending on the S3 tier you used. So, you can expect almost zero downtime for the service, and S3 is highly durable. It claims 99.999999999% of durability for your files stored in S3. So, you can expect almost zero chance of data getting lost or corrupted in S3. S3 creates replicas of your files in multiple data centers based on your S3 tier, to ensure this even in case of disaster, and it is designed to sustain the concurrent loss of data in two facilities. Now, let's look at the security of data in S3. S3 provides in-transit encryption and allows us to encrypt the data while it travels over the network. We can use HTTPS protocol while uploading files to S3 to get in-transit encryption for our files. S3 provides server-side encryption. You can enable encryption with different ways on your data at rest. We will learn more about all these encryption ways in detail later. S3 allows us to control permissions using bucket policy. You can apply different permissions allowed or denied for different actions on your objects in the bucket. And finally, access control lists. You can specify IAM users, groups or AWS accounts which are allowed or denied to access your data in S3. ACLs can be applied on a single object within a bucket to control different access level on individual objects along with the permissions mentioned in bucket policy. So, in this video we have covered some basics of S3. In the next video we will cover different S3 storage classes in detail. Hope you liked the video. If yes, Please hit on subscribe and join me in the next video to learn more. Thank you.